Yeah, they always do that.
This is crazy. Look at this tree.
No, she does better crap over there. This one that we're able to find.
You know the best grandmother's backyard? Same shit.
Video number 2. As we can see, we're coming close to another tree after the storm. This is crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Let's walk around.
Oh, the other place? Yeah. But this is the one.
No, you haven't been to 150th Street yet.
Yeah, go in.
They don't cover that disaster. They're not going to cover disaster.
Video number 3. We are incoming on a smaller tree, which has been semi-crushed, or totally not sure yet, by this other tree. As you can see, this tree has toppled over 2 cars. Over 2 vehicles.
Everybody with their cameras and
Hey man! Video number 4, 4 I think. This tree wasn't here earlier today. Oh, this has been uprooted.
You don't want to get in that hole? How about you get down there? That Uncle Sean can get in the hole.
So when they come out their house, they got a duck.
Yo, honestly, people watching this video, there was not a tree here earlier today. There was no tree in this backyard in which we are walking in now.
The other side.
Folks, there was no tree in this backyard at all. Video number 5. I missed a testimonial from this guy I just spoke to. Said he was in the middle of it, watching the trees fall down, which is kind of crazy. I probably would have wet my pants, literally. Right, so honey? This is outrageous. Look at this. Trees have fallen on the floor, blocking traffic. Cops trying to get through, can't do what they gotta do. Traffic's gonna be bad for about a day or 2. This is crazy. I thought Christ was coming. I ain't gonna lie. Over and out.
Oh my God.
Video number 6. Tahani and I are witnessing, as you can see across the street, BP gas station. You can see the police blocking off. We smell heavy loads of gas. And we are walking away because we don't believe in getting close to gas lines and stuff. Gas lines and us don't go well together. Look at the color of my skin. I don't do that kind of stuff. That's why her and we're moving away. As you can see, pieces of this shed right here belonged over there. This piece of metal came from over there, where those cars are. It came from where all those cars are over there. Let me say this again. This piece of metal came from over there. Do you believe what I'm telling you? This is crazy. New York City, 2010. It's outrageous. You want to see it, Jay? Look at the trees, Jay. Crazy, right, Jay? Look at the trees on the floor. Video number 6.
He's trying to get cut. He's really trying to get cut, right? You see all that glass over there?
My door.
Sorry. You can't really see it for what it really is, but this car is finished. Some tree indeed, my friend.
The tour, y'all want over there too?
Yeah, I saw that one earlier.
That's a tornado.
Yeah, I saw it myself. I saw the one. I saw the thing turn there in my backyard. It was crazy. I guess we'll find out which trees were weak. Which one was it? Video number 7. Incoming on some other tree that was affected. This is going to be the last video. It's kind of messed up what happened today. It's like I was in my house and I instantaneously felt loads of wind and rain. A tornado in New York City. Outrageous, never in my life. Loads of people on the sidewalk marveled by the events of today. Old man sitting. You better get a call back. This is unprecedented. Wow. Look how big this tree is. This is Jonathan, over and out, New York City, 2010 tornado. Happened on my block. It's crazy, folks. Over and out.